Hello guys, and welcome to Digital Toddlers. I'm Emmanuel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to build a simple agency website using Elementor web builder. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into it. First of all, you have to head to your Namecheap account. This is where I already bought the domain, the web hosting and domain name. So if you haven't bought yours yet, I already made a video on how to get your domain name and web hosting via Namecheap. You can check that out later. So first of all, you head to your dashboard and you come to the products section and you click on cpanel. As you can see, it's now redirecting to cpanel. This is where we're going to install WordPress before heading to our WordPress dashboard to install Elementor and start building our website straight away. So this is it. You can either click on Softaculous app installer or you just head down to the Softaculous apps installer section. You click on WordPress. So this is WordPress. This is where we're going to install WordPress. As you can see, you scroll down, you click on install now. Here we're gonna give it gonna give our website a name. So we're gonna call our website Bird Limited, and we're gonna give it a description. Mind you can always change this under the dashboard of your WordPress. Okay, we're gonna call this travels and logistics, and we're gonna be creating an admin login and username and password rather. So and our password 6385. So we'll create a username and password, and we'll come down where we'll add a username where the installation details will be sent to, and we'll click on install and let it install. Okay, our WordPress has been installed. You can click here to return to WordPress management. Okay, our freshly installed WordPress is ready. So let's just head to our website. This is it, guys. This is the default theme of our freshly installed WordPress. So to head to your dashboard, you just have to add /wp-admin. You click enter and you'll be taken straight to where you're gonna log in. So I'm gonna log in here. And I'll be taken to the dashboard of our website. So guys, this is our dashboard of our freshly installed WordPress. So first of all, we're going to install Elementor. So you come down to plugins. You can click on the stored plugins or add new. So we're just going to click add new, so don't waste much time. gonna search Elementor. I'm gonna search for Elementor. Alright, here we have Elementor, and we're gonna click install now. Okay, Elementor is now installed, so we're gonna activate. Okay guys, you have to connect your website with Elementor. So you just have to go to create my account, so that Elementor will be linked to your website. So I'm gonna connect. Let it load. As you can see, it's connecting. So it's requesting for me to use the hello theme. I think we're gonna ignore that. Let's just go back to our WordPress dashboard. We won't be using the hello theme for this. Let's head back to the dashboard. So I'm going to show you the theme we're going to be using. Okay, here's our Elementor, well installed, and we'll head to appearance. Click on themes. I'm gonna search. We're gonna click on add new. As you can see, on the 2023 theme is already installed, but we're gonna change. We're gonna install Oceanwp. So you just type Oceanwp. This is it, and we'll install. It's installed. You activate. Okay, our Oceanwp is now installed. Okay, it's now requesting us to install and activate Ocean Extra. We're gonna do this so we can have extra widgets and all the free templates demos that it has to offer. So we're going to click on allow and continue. Alright guys, this is a Oceanwp panel. This is how it looks. You can click on the Oceanwp panel to see all the features. So for now we're gonna install demo. We'll click on install demos. Mind you, we're using totally free features. The Elementor we just installed is also free. The Oceanwp, we're not using any pro version for building this website. I have to click on install demos and let it load. You can see they've got more demos here. You can always upgrade it if you like to upgrade and check out more demos, but I won't be doing that. Okay, as you can see, these are some of the themes they've got. Okay, let's check out this one. Let's check out this theme and see how it looks. Okay, this isn't bad. So let's install this theme. Click on import. WP Forms, we install these two, but we're leaving out the add-ons. As you can see, it's activating. Head to the next step. Install this demo. You give it some time to install. Okay, so we'll just click on this so we can see the result. This looks nice. So we can just go on now and start editing our website. So first things first, let's head to customize. We can customize some major settings on our website, from logos to header images to title and description, typography and color styling. You can find that here. So the first one on our list here is the site identity. So it's still loading, so let's just give it some time to load. Okay, we're ready now, guys. So click on site identity. This here you can change the title and the tagline. You can also add the site icon. So let's just add the site icon while we're here. Click on it. We're gonna upload a site icon. I already have a site icon ready. There'll be no need cropping that. You can see our site icon has been added. So click on publish. So go next to our menus. Click on main menu, and these are our menus. So you can take out some menus you don't need, that doesn't align with your brand, and you can add up other menus. So we're going to be taking out this pricing. I don't think we need this menu, but of course if your business needs it, then you can let it stay there. So we're gonna take out this one too. I'm gonna take out outlet facts. I'm gonna take this out. Let's see. Let's add one more. Let's add about us. Where did that go? Add items, search menu, pages. Okay, gonna add about us, and we can reorder it. We're gonna take about us up, take it up. I think this is okay. Let's take out trainers. I'm gonna take out trainers. You remove that. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, let's take this blog and place it before contact us. Of course, if you don't like this home section here, you can always take it off. I'm gonna take it off. Click on that. I'm gonna remove the home section from there. And I've got one more page in mind. Click on add items. Add new page and go services. I'm gonna add this. Okay, this is okay. I think I'm gonna take these services up. Yep, this is better. Click on done. Let's edit this label, leave it at about. Okay, this is fine, and we'll publish. Okay, we've got about, blog, services, contact us. Okay, so this is fine for me. Oops. So now we'll go back. So you can also set your menu locations. You can set it to display in the footer or also on the top bar, but we won't be doing that. So just go back. So the next one, widgets. Here you can edit your widget. The next one is widgets, and we've got homepage settings. On homepage settings, you can select where you can select a static page for your homepage, or to display latest posts if your website is more of a blog. Let's head back, and you can also change typography. You can see you can change the font style, the body headings, toolbar. You can change that. Anything related to typography, you can change that here, but we won't be touching the typography. So the next one is options. This is where you can change the general styling, the colors and all, but I'm cool with this color. So I'm going to leave it. And you can also change the background image. Mind you, this background image here, it's for the whole website and not for this one. We'll come to this one later. So let's just go back. And we've got general settings. This way you can change the website to boxed or layout. It's currently on boxed or wide. It's currently on wide. On boxed, it's more like in a container, but wide, it covers the whole website. so let's leave that. And the page title, can change the page title. So there's other settings, the color for the title and all, we'll leave that. And down there are more other settings below. You can always check that out and see how it blends with the kind of website you like to design. So this is the blog section, blog entries, single post, archives. You can always change this. If your website, you can always change that and mess with it to how suits your web design if your website is more of a blog. So let's go to the next one. This is the header. So you can change the header to transparent. It's currently on transparent. So let's just leave this. I think it's fine. You can always change it to suit you. The header media. The header doesn't have a media, it's currently black. And the logo. So let's change this logo. Let's add our logo. We'll click on upload files. Select files. Okay, let's add this. Our logo has been uploaded. We'll skip cropping. Okay, as you can see, this is our logo. Color also matches with the colors already on the website. So we can also add a retina logo. I'm going to add that also. Just click on select image, select that logo, and you add it. You can if the width is not okay for you, you can also add and reduce the width. You can click on this. Let's say it's 270. 270 is a bit small. It says 470 or 890. We might as well remove the retina logo, but because it's way too small. It's way too small. Let's see what we have. So this is better. We can head back to menu. This is where you can make other edits. You can just play with it and see how it fits with the design you want to run. And this is the social menu. You can enable it. So this is where you can change the social link style. So you can always change, check it out. We won't be going deeply into all this for now. Mobile menu. So let's just go back. This is the top bar, footer bottom. Footer bottom, this is where you can change the footer. So let's just change this. Okay, let's just highlight this and change it to website name, Bird Limited. Yep. All rights reserved. Okay, this is fine. You can add 2022 or whatever if you want to. So we just publish this. And we go back, can click on footer widgets and maybe edit other widgets or add widgets. Can enable footer widgets. So you can see I've enabled footer widgets and it has opened up space for me here. So I'm gonna disable footer widgets. I don't need it for now. So go back, again and click on publish. So we're done with this. Let's just close this, and so that we can start editing the main website with Elementor. Alright, this is how our website looks. So we're going to try as much as possible to personalize this and make it suit our taste. So click on edit with Elementor. Okay, it's now open. Alright, now we just go straight into editing of our website. So we'll start with this cover image here. So we'll head to the edit section and click on style. Here we're going to change this image. Okay, let's upload a new image. Go to select files, go to downloads. I already have an image. The fill will go better. Okay, our image has been uploaded. We'll click on insert image. Okay, this is it. So we'll check on the overlay, see what we have here. Okay, you can see our overlay has black. It has a black overlay and the opacity is set on 0.6. So let's just try to reduce this opacity. Okay, and see. Okay, let's take this down a bit. Okay, let's leave it at 59. Let's leave it at 60. All right, click on background. Let's see what we have here. Okay, let's see the image position. Here we can center the image. Yep, you can see image has been centered. Let's top left. Nope. Center. I think this is better. This is way more better than the earlier one there. And the size. Let's click on cover. Yes, you can see the image is well fitted now. So we can go back to our overlay. And add and reduce the opacity. So I think this is cool. So And also the color of the overlay, you can always change it. It's on black, you can change it, set it to any color you feel suitable with. So that's the use of overlays and background. That's how to fix that. So you can click on the words here. You can change the content of the text. So let's call this travels experts and travels. Okay, I think I'm going to take this out. Let's just right click here and delete it, and I feel like I should duplicate this. Right click that and duplicate. Let's change the text in here, experts in travels and logistics. I think this is better. This, I'm gonna edit this, but limited, I think that's fine. Okay, let's change this to, we don't offer classes, so we're going to change this to contact let's say talk to us now. Talk to us now. Talk to us now, contact us, whichever one you decide to add. Okay, the content you can always find, you can really add any content you like to add. I've already got content. Let's just go to my notepad. Okay, well, let's just leave that for later. Let's just leave that. Let's continue editing. Okay, here we have our processes. I'll change this. Oh, what just happened? Ctrl Z. Let's edit this. Click on our process. We'll call this our services, or let's say what we offer. What we offer. I think this is better. Okay, and here we've got icons and content. Let's change this. Okay guys, I'm going to show you where you can also get icons. You can click on the icon library. We've got free icons here, where you can just pick one and use. Let's search for one. Suitcase, I think I like this one. Click this and insert. If you don't find any icon here you like, you can also always go to freeicon.io. This is freeicons.io, and you can download any icon SVG, so you can upload there. Let's continue. So you can always change this from the view from stacked to frame. This is the default. This is stacked and this is framed. I think I like this one, so let's also change this while we also change the services. Okay, we're gonna change this to okay, let's see here, proof of funds. gonna change this. What just happened? Ctrl Z. I'm gonna change this icon. Let's search for documents or book. Yep, think this is cool. Add this, and I'm also gonna change it to framed. You can always change it to square or circle, whichever you prefer. Leave this as circle. Okay, we're gonna change this to documents processing, and move to the next one. Click on edit, change the icon to the service that you would like to add. That matches, you change it to the one that matches the service you like to add. What do we have? Let me check my notepad for the services. Okay, we got visa application. Okay, let's check visa if we got any. No. Okay, let's check my passport. Yeah, I think this is better. I'm gonna add that. I'm gonna change it from stacked to framed because I like framed. Okay, we're gonna change this into visa application. I don't know if I spelled that right. Visa application, and to the last one, I'm gonna change this. Let's plain. Let's pick this one and insert. We're gonna call this one flight booking. Okay, so let's check our notepad. Okay, so this is okay. Oh, I haven't changed it from stacked to framed. Okay, so I'm gonna update this. So this is better. So I think the black frame, I think we should spice things up a bit. So let's click on this tab, go to styling. Here you can always add the background type, border overlay, and you can also add advanced, and you can come down and add motion effects. But be aware that when you add motion effects, it tends to slow down your website and makes the website okay, when you've got too much animation, it slows down your website, and if you're not careful enough, it doesn't make your website look professional enough. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna add animation to this. Okay, let's say fade in. So I just added fade in animation. Make it slow. Yeah. Say delay for This is 0.2 seconds, and update the styling. Let's go back to styling. And you can always set the hover. This way you can change the transition of the hover, the background type, background overlay. It's already on classic. You can add an image, or you can leave it at that. You can also change the color. The color is on default. This way you can change the color to fit whatever color you want. You can add it there. So let's add an image. Okay, we're gonna add this image. Insert. Okay, as you can see, we've added it. Can also position it. We saw this earlier, we already did this previously. Can center it. And we can increase the opacity. Reduce the opacity. Can always change the image to a more preferred one. So let's just update this and move on. Okay, let's go down. Okay, we have this from the default theme. Don't think I'll be needing this. Let's just close this. And this one here, I won't be needing this as well. Let's just close it. Let's delete that, and we can always add testimonials. This is where you can add testimonials. If you got testimonials, you can add that here. And there's some other widgets here. I don't need this. I'm gonna close this. We got pricing. I don't need this as well. And we've got a quote here. I'm gonna take this out as well. But of course, if you need it based on the design you're trying to put up, you can always leave it. Okay, here we've got where we're supposed to add a form. I wouldn't like the map to be here, so I'll be remove this map, and we'll click on plus here. Here we can add I'd like to add a Google form, not a Google form, a WP forms. I'll add one, click, and you drag and place. Oops. Let's do that again. Yes, I've now added a form. Now I can select the form type. Okay, this is it. This is where visitors to the website can easily get in touch by filling this form and sending a message, and you get it from the back end. And here's the address section. Everything looks good. Let's just edit this address section quickly. Let's head to our notepad and get the address. Okay, I'm going to add that here. contacts, and the phone rather. Let's go back to our notepad so we can get the number. I'm gonna add that here. Just edit this and I'll add ours. If you've got a second number too, you can edit, highlight and delete and add yours. You can see that, and you can also change this. You can edit this. Okay, info at birdlimited.com. Let's change this also, admin and birdlimited.com. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's go back to the top and see what we've got. I'm thinking about taking out these testimonials. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Let's add something. Let's add a better testimonial there. First of all, let's update this. Click on plus. Click on the right the icon that looks like a file. Click on that. Here we can add a block. These are pages you can add if you like to add a full page, but we'll be adding blocks. You click on blocks. Now let's search for testimonials. Here we've got testimonial. As you can see, you can pick any one of your choice. Let's insert this one. Let it load. Okay, here we have it. Okay, I think we're just gonna make some edits on it. We're gonna take this out. Let's delete this. Okay, I'll delete this. I think this is better. I'll now add a new text heading. Just click on this and drag, and I'll add the text heading there. And now I did this to testimonials. We're going to centralize this and also increase the size to large. I think this is better. You can always edit the custom testimonials based on what the clients have sent in. You can edit this, and you can also resize. Let's resize this. You go to advanced, and you can reset the padding. Can set this to 20. I think 20 is cool. You can click on this too. Go to advanced and insert 20. I think this is fair enough. Okay. If you like to change this color, the color of this, you can also change that. You can just click on it. Click on style. You can also add an image color. Let's give it this. I think this is better. I think we should add an animation for this. So we'll just click this, go to advanced, click motion effects, entrance, sliding up, now we'll click on none. I think we'll give you separate slidings. Click this one, go to advanced, motion effects, entrance animation, sliding down, nope, sliding up, and we'll do the same thing with this one. But you get the point. So it's easy adding animation to text and shape on WordPress using Elementor. Click on motion effects, and you also add sliding from up. So you update this. Can also add animation to the others also. So let's just check on our website that we've been designing, bedlimited.com. Let's see what we have. Okay, so this is it, what we offer. You can also add animation. To this. Yeah, I think let's add some animation to that and see how it looks like. Click on this one, on advanced, motion effects, entrance, sliding from up. Click this one also, click on advanced, motion effects, and sliding from up. Can also set it to delay for a bit. Let's dig this. Let's just leave it at documents. Okay, I'm gonna change this also. Talk to us, yeah, and update. Let's refresh and see how it looks now. Looks like. You can always add animation to the other stuff also. Testimonials, talk to us, yeah. And you can also add more templates based on how you want your design to look like. So let's just go back. Remember, we haven't fixed the other pages yet, so let's just go back. We're gonna exit. We're gonna set this for WP dashboard. anytime we exit, we just have to go back to the WP dashboard. Let's leave. Meanwhile, we need to update this first. Click on exit. And we're back on the dashboard. Okay, on the dashboard, this is where you can make posts. I didn't talk about this much earlier. Maybe I'll make another video where I'll talk details on pages and posts. But here's our pages. These are our pages so far. You can edit directly from here, and here is our post. Posts will be displayed on the blog section of the website. We'll also check that out. So let's check out the website. Okay, let's check out the about section. You can see the about section is totally blank. Let's check out the blog. The blog normally has some default content. You can see the blog content. You can always go back to the post and edit, delete the previous post and add your post. So these are the blog content and services. Services also blank. Okay guys, here under the pages, let's create a contact page. Let's create a new contact page. You click on add new. Say contact us. And here we're gonna publish this. It's okay. So now let's just go back to our dashboard. Let's visit our website. Let's see how it looks and see what we haven't done. Yeah, we haven't linked the pages. We'll try and link the pages. Let's head to the about section so we can edit the about section quickly. I'll show you how to edit this section. Click on edit page. Click on edit page, then we'll edit with Elementor. So this is the edit page, and here you can click with edit with Elementor. Click continue. Okay, here to your right you add template. Okay, they've got about templates, but we won't be about templates for pages, but we wouldn't be adding that. We'll be adding blocks. We'll click on blocks. change the category, so about. Let's add this one. We click on insert. So this is it. Okay. So here we can add the about. Let's go to our notepad. Copy, and we'll come back here, highlight, and we're going to paste. I'm going to delete this, don't need it. Going to change the styling. Let's just change the styling and let's make the color match with the background instead. Click on this. We're going to change this color for the text. Go to styling. And give it white. Of course, you can always add an image. You can always change the background and add an image or whatever you want to add. So this is the about section. You can leave it like this, or you can always pick a better template than this and you add it. So let's just close this. And let's move to another page. Click on update and click on exit. So let's open our website on a different site, on a different tab rather. So let's go to the services section, and here we can add some services. We'll click on edit page and click edit with Elementor. Click on continue. And here you can decide to go and add a template of your choice from the pages. You can add any, or you can pick any free one you see. You can add, or you can choose to add the blocks. You can change from the services and add any of the blocks, but we won't be doing that. Let's create a section from scratch. Now select this fourth structure. Let's use this one. Okay. Here let's add an icon. Let's add an icon there, and we'll add a text. Add a text editor. Let's add a heading. Click this, drag, drop. So we're gonna copy these styles and we'll paste it, and we'll copy, or we'll just duplicate rather. just duplicate this, and duplicate this. Then we delete the others. I'm gonna delete this, right click and delete, right click and delete. So you can also duplicate this, you can add an icon, add a text, and add a service. Here is for the, I'm going to add services here. So let's add a new section, a blank section. Let's add a header. Here we'll call this services. Here are some of our services. We're gonna place this, we're gonna centralize that, make it medium, let's make it large. Okay, this is fine. So you can also change these icons. Let's change this. Come to the icon library. Okay, let's select briefcase. Insert. You can insert different icons based on the one you like. You can also change the colors of the icon. Let's give it white or any other color you prefer. So here we can maybe we can call these documents. And you can go on and continue. You can make the changes for the others and also add make your adjustments. You can also make this, you can add image here if you like. You can just come here, instead of icon you can make it an image, or you can also add a button. So let's just update this, and so let me show you how to link some of the pages. Let's click on exit. Better still, you can still go to pages. Here, this is it. You can just copy the link from here and you come to customize and you change this link, Ctrl V, and you publish. And you can do same for the other pages too, and can go back. That's how to change the link for the pages. Okay guys, this is all the time we can take today on building a website with Elementor, but I bet you've got the basic idea on how to set up a website with Elementor. I'm going to go on now and properly redesign this website. I bet you've gotten the whole idea on how to use Elementor to design a simple WordPress website. So please, if you learned something new from this video, kindly like and you can drop any questions, suggestions and comments in the comment section. Please subscribe to this channel. It will go a long way in supporting the channel. See you in the next video. Cheers guys.